a favorite of heaven and nature live. This is what Savitri is being told when she has entered into the quiet country of fixed mind. Savitri has crossed the strong ebony gate and crashed her way into the inner countries. She meets dangerous beings there, the vital forces blocking her way. She meets titanic agents there. She meets life in a ghastly aspect. She also sees life parked in a quiet place. But now Savitri is entering into the country of the inner mind. She has moved into the quiet country of fixed mind, mind with definite ideas, with definite notions, definite concepts. There neither is present life, there is not present soul, only it is mind. She is witnessing the world of mind alone. In fact, to such an extent that even the spirit sees itself as a form of mind. Spirit sees itself as a form of mind. Here, a voice of authority tells Savitri. She has entered now that world of fixed mind, and a voice of authority tells Savitri that she is fortunate, she is indeed lucky that after crossing all the dangerous zones, she has come to this world of mind, that she has reached this world of thought's finality. Whatever thought says, yes, that is the ultimate. There is nothing beyond that. Here is a home of cosmic certainty. Thought is sure of its ideas, notions, things, everything. Here is a home of cosmic certainty. Here is the truth. God's harmony is also here. So we have got cosmic certainty, cosmic truth, cosmic harmony. Everything is present in the world of the inner mind. That is what that voice of authority tells Savitri. This is the end, and there is no beyond. You need not go anything at all. In fact, there is nothing beyond this world. It's a very happy, coherent world. Come and live here. Here is the safety. Here burns the diamond of flawless bliss. Mind without any flaws, blemish. It is that diamond which is constantly burning here and live in its light. Here burns the diamond of flawless bliss. But Savitri could not stay there. She could live here as a favorite of heaven and nature. This is what that voice of authority was telling her, that she could live here as a favorite of heaven and nature because she has somehow come to this part. There is something great in her which has brought her here, and here is the finality, and therefore she can be a favorite of heaven and nature. But Savitri replies, sorry, this is not the place for me to live. I cannot live here. What I am seeking is my soul. This is the world of fixed ideas, of mind. perfect, harmonious, true, symmetric. Yes, yes, yes. But I want my soul to be there. If the soul is not present here, I cannot stay here. This cannot be the place for her because she is seeking her soul. She need not be a favorite of heaven and nature to live here in this world of fixed mind. Her urge, her strong will, her burning desire is to discover her soul and live in her soul. And therefore Savitri moves on further. A favorite of heaven and nature live, she rejects that offer and moves on.